Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks. So we are completely wrapped up with the Fujimi Ferrari F355 GTS. It was a lot of fun. I had a blast with the build, and it was exactly what I was looking for. It was just a fun, quick, light, simple kind of build. There wasn't a whole lot of crazy modifications. Okay, it's me we're talking about, so yeah, there were some crazy modifications, but not a whole lot of it. Just all in all, an absolute blast. Paint came out really well. I'm super happy with it. For Prime Days, I went ahead and picked up a whole new set of storage plastic drawers here. So I have a whole lot of space that doesn't have any stickers on it. So we can put stickers on things now. And the corner of shame has now turned into the random storage drawers of shame. So enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get this camera turned around and let's take a look at this build. And then I can have some Rebel sugar-free mint chocolate chip ice cream. Alright guys, real quick before we get into the video, I want to take a quick moment to give a shout out and a quick thank you to Matt over at Matt's Models and More. I reached out to Matt and he sent a couple of his stickers to me. I don't think he does shop cards. I think he just does the stickers, which I'm not entirely certain, but I think that may be an Instagram thing. I don't do a whole lot on Instagram. Every now and then I post over there, but I think those guys do stickers instead of shop cards, so that might be where that is. But thank you, Matt, very much. I appreciate this greatly. These are some awesome stickers. Love that build. Check out Matt's channel, guys. Matt's got a lot of really cool videos. They're usually a little bit on the shorter side. Some of it is just him showing some tools that he likes to use, things you may or may not think to use. Other things are, quick tips and techniques, things like that. He's got one that's kind of cool on, I believe he's the one who did a video on using AI, where he likes to use AI to get an idea of a build before he starts on it, so he kind of has an idea of the direction he's wanting to head. Some really cool stuff. So once again, check out Matt's channel. The link will be in the description below. All right, guys, here she is all wrapped up. This is the Fujimi 1/24th scale Ferrari F355 GTS. The paint on this is ProScale's Ferrari Blue Swatters. It's a custom mixed color from ProScale Paints. The interior color is Splash Paints Cream Interior with Tamiya's Royal Blue. All right, so that paint came out fantastic. I'm very happy with how she came out. Our seats are from P24, as are the wheels. You can check out their Colts 3D page to find a bunch of really nice seats and wheels and other accessories. We cut the side windows out, so we've got the window rolled down look. All right, we have a registration sticker here. We wrapped this one up in July of 2025. And we have our license plate here, never late. I thought that was kind of funny. We used a crazy modeler set for our metal transfers. There's the 355 GTS in there, but the camera never really wants to focus on it. We have our Ferrari script back there. And the Cavallino ponies. There's the other pony up front. The wheels look fantastic. All right, so we did go with the larger set of mesh from Art Model. It's in the update video for update number 2, so you can check that out. Get it from Scale Riders. It's a fantastic mesh. You can also just kind of make out some of the Ferrari engine that we 3D modeled. We didn't model the whole engine. Just really just the top, like the air intake plenums. And you can only see it if you get it at the right angles. But that is in there as well. We use some blue flocking. I think it's navy blue flocking from Flocking Unlimited to do all of our flocking. We replaced the door cards with 3D modeled and printed door cards in there. I think those look so much better than what came in the kit. We also 3D modeled up the pedals, which, like I said, you can completely see, and Fujimi leaving those out was just an absolute mistake, in my opinion. Well, you could see them if the camera would focus, as usual. We have some engine detail there. It's just the chassis pan, to be honest with you. It is a little curbside kit. It was just a fun, quick build. I had a blast with it. Alright guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. I'm keeping it short and sweet. This was just a fun little quick build, a nice little palette cleanser after that really detailed, really involved Lamborghini Fujimi Enthusiast kit. This was just a quick little curbside. I had a blast with it. The color, I was wanting to try out some more Pro Scale paints. Beautiful paint, a beautiful color. I absolutely love this blue. I think it's a stunning color. We got a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. I believe I probably already have the unboxing done. I'm recording a bunch of stuff at the same time, so bear with me. I believe I've already posted the unboxing for the Ducati 916. We have another unboxing coming up, and that's going to be for Fujimi's Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. I'm not entirely certain if I'm starting that one right now or after the bike is finished, but we will see. But yeah, we've got a lot going on. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate you watching the videos and supporting the channels. Email me at jhartmodelworks@gmail.com if you want a shop card. I have a ton of shop cards left, so email me there. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.